Hello and welcome to this NX CAD for Manufacturing Training Class Overview. I'm Jeremiah Kichler, an application engineer here at Swoosh Technologies, and my primary focus here at Swoosh is on the CAM side of the NX software. After working in the aerospace industry for over 20 years, I know that there's more to programming than just selecting an engineering part and generating a toolpath. So whether you find yourself having to create additional geometry to machine part features, or maybe you would just like to strengthen your expertise in the CAD environment utilizing features such as sketching, basic modeling, drafting for documentation purposes, or assembly fixturing, this course is tailor-made for your professional growth. In this robust 3-day class, you will dive into the fundamentals of CAD covering specific topics essential for manufacturing design and development. Day 1 begins with an in-depth focus on sketching, where we start off with providing a sketching overview, and then move on to creating sketch commands, sketch curves, and utilizing the sketch features in the Part Navigator. Day 2 is an immersion into feature modeling, exploring coordinate systems, construction functions, creating and editing extruded and revolved features, Boolean features, and detail features. Day 3, we explore and learn how to use datum features including datum planes, axis and coordinate systems, and associative points and features. Additionally, you will gain insight into creating assemblies, positioning components effectively, managing part versions, as well as basic shop documentation practices. So please, enroll now and secure your virtual classroom seat today.